parent. Friend, this is my third question from Constitution, which may come in UPSC mains examination 2018. And as you know, UPPCS also has changed its mains examination pattern, and it is also expected to come even in UPPCS mains examination, which is expected to be held in November or December by the end of the year. Friends, my question is, what are the judicial powers of President? This is very important question, and several times this question has come in UPSC mains examination. Friend, I just want to clarify some very important point, because we have to write mains in just 150 to 200 words. So very concise, in very concise I am just giving you all the points. So friends, I am going to describe you about judicial power of the President. First thing, President appoints the judges of Supreme Court and High Court. This is the executive power of the President. The President has 5 pardoning powers, which is mentioned in Article 72 in the Constitution, namely pardon, reprieve, respite, remission and commutation in respect of all cases of punishment by court-martial. It means President has this power in all cases of punishment by court-martial. President can deprive, President can pardon, President can respite, President can remission, and President can commutation of a punishment given by law in respect of all cases of punishment by court-martial. First thing. Second thing, offences against laws made on the union and concurrent list. There are 3 lists: state list, union list and concurrent list. So President can give pardon, remission, respite, commutation and reprieve cases related to under the union and concurrent lists. And third one, pardoning in case of death sentences. It should be noted that the pardon is completely absolving of the offender from all charges. Suppose President is giving any criminal pardon. If pardon is given to any criminal by the President, it means that culprit is now completely absolving the offender from all charges. Reprieve means a temporary suspension of the punishment fixed by the law. Suppose that any punishment given by the law and President reprieve that punishment, it means a temporary suspension of the punishment fixed by the law comes under reprieve. And respite means postponement of the execution of a sentence to future date. Suppose a punishment is given on a particular date, but respite is given to, and then postponement of the execution of a sentence to future date. Remission means reduction of punishment. Suppose a life sentence is reduced to imprisonment for 10 years, and commutation is changing the nature of punishment. For example, a death sentence is changed to life imprisonment. So you may have understood, pardon means completely absolving the offender from all charges. Whenever President gives pardon to anyone, completely absolving the offender from all charges. Whenever reprieve is given, temporary suspension of the punishment. Whenever respite, postponement of a punishment to a future date, and remission, reduction of the punishment, and commutation, changing in the nature of punishment. You might have understand what I have delivered you for this question. What are the judicial powers of the President? There are 5 judicial powers given by the Constitution to the President under Article 72. First, President appoints the judges of the Supreme Court and High Court. This is the executive power of the President. And then President enjoys under Article 72 5 pardoning powers, namely pardon, reprieve, respite, remission and commutation. Okay, you might, if you like my video, then share it with your friend and subscribe my channel. Next, more 17 questions expected, which are expected to come in mains examination UPSC 2018. I would share you in next few days. Thank you so much.